once you cross this world, you will vividly be present in everything you see. Closer and closer you go.
Actually, nung grade 4, nakwento ko na sa kanya to na napanaginipan ko siya. So, doon tingin ko, yung panaginip ko na yun na parang siya na yung gusto kong babae.
December 2, 2011, SM Manila. Ito ang unang pagkakataon na nagkita tayo makalipas ang 5 taon. At pagkakatanda ko, sabi mo nakantaan kita. At yun, doon nagsimula ang halos 14 years natin na tawanan, harutan at madalas nating away-bate.
Yun, kinakantahan niya ako lagi. Bata pa lang kami, parang naglalandian na kami. Parang puppy love, gano'n.
This always amazed me that God gave me 3 birth of my life. Papa Robert, Nunay Albert, and now you, my husband, Herbert.
Ang aming dalangin na nawa kayo Herbert at Mary Nicole ay maglakad bilang mag-asawa sa liwanag ni Kristo.
No one knows about the things that I've been through with you. There were times I drive you nearly mental, but when you're mad, you're still beautiful.
Sa dami nga ng pinagdaanan natin na hindi ko na alam kung paano natin nalagpasan ng lahat ng pagsubok sa atin. Pero salamat at nariyan ka palagi. Sa kabila ng pagkukulang ko ay pinagtatsagahan mo ako.
I promise to choose you and to be kind kahit na makalat ka sa gamit. Kasi ngayon, mahal, ipinapangako ko na ang kilala mo na strong, independent, alpha woman ay finally magsosurrender na sa'yo.
Hello, my love. I've been searching for someone like you for most my life. Happiness ain't a thing I'm used to. You could have fallen hard for anyone. Plenty of fish in the sea. And for all of time, I know it's just my angel and me.
promise to continue to grow old with you, choose you every day, and to love you even at your worst.
Sa pagsisimula ng bagong yugto ng ating buhay bilang mag-asawa, hindi ko ipapangako ang anuman, ngunit gagawin ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko para sa atin at magiging mga anak natin. Dahil ito ay recorded at may resibo ka.
And you tell me that you don't give enough. Now I found someone.
I vow to love you forevermore, Herbert Bernadas. Mahal na mahal kita, my childhood sweetheart, and today, my husband, Nico.
This is all I wanted to be, you and I. Hello, my love. I've been searching.
Naiiyak ako? Depende. Pero kasi mas ano ko na nakangiti kaysa umiiyak. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung mapapayak nila ako.
You could have fallen hard for anyone. Plenty of fish in the sea. Hey, now for all of time, I know it's just my angel. We got someone without a belly or a temper, perfect teeth, hair growing where it's meant to. You know my lips are all I can hold against you. This is all that I'll ever need. You and I. You and I. Hello, my love. I've been searching for someone like you for most my life. Happiness.
Bago matapos itong sulat ko para sa'yo, naalala mo pa ba yung laging kinakanta ko sa'yo noong bata pa tayo? Take me to your heart. At ngayon, masasabi ko na, you took my heart away. Mahal na mahal kita. Mary Nicole Furio Regala Bernadas. From your husband.